Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Louise and this is my Feelunique Pick and Mix unboxing. What Feelunique Pick and Mix is, it's a monthly sample service. You don't have to subscribe to it, so it's not a subscription, but you can choose to do it every month if you'd like, or just have a little look, and if there's no samples there that you'd like, you can skip a month. But you are allowed to do 5 samples per month, and at the moment there are 337 samples on their website, so there's a wide range of samples for you there to choose from. And so you pay £3.95 for postage, and then you get the £3.95 back in a gift voucher, and you can spend that £3.95 on your next Feelunique order. You can't use the gift voucher on your next Pick and Mix order, but your next normal order through Feelunique, you can get the £3.95 back off of your total. So this is what it comes like. Sometimes it comes in a bag, sometimes it comes in a box. So this is my Feelunique order for January 2019. So let's get into it. So it comes like this, and you usually get a little envelope of discount codes. So this is the 5 samples that I've chosen this month. So the first sample that I chose was from the Lancôme Absolute Precious Cells range, and this is their Intense Revitalising Cream, and it's got SPF 15 in it. And this product, it's a 5ml product, and that's what the sample looks like. And so I've never tried anything from Lancôme before, so I thought I like trying different skincare, and so I thought I'll try some Lancôme cream. The second sample that I chose is another Lancôme product, and this time it's from their Absolue Premium range. And so this is a regenerating and replenishing cream, and again it's got SPF 15, and it's a 5ml product, and that is what the sample looks like. And so yes, both of those are day creams, and so I will look forward to trying both of those out. The third sample that I chose was from the brand Carita Paris, and this is a cleansing milky emulsion, and it's a 50ml product, and it just says using a cotton pad, apply all over the face and eyes to remove makeup and impurities, and that rinsing is not required. I like it when you get nice big sample sizes from Feelunique. I do tend to go and have a look through all the samples. Before I choose, I'll have a look through all of them, and I will have a look at what size the samples are. And yeah, because I've had some really decent sample sizes before. I'll put a photo in now so that you can see some of the samples that I've had previously. But yes, I have been really impressed with the sample sizes on Feelunique. So the fourth product is a Rituals product. This is the Organic Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom Body Cream, and so that's the product. It is 10ml. I've actually had this product before. When I was having a look on the Feelunique website, I saw that it was still on there, and I've had this before and I really liked it, and so I thought, right, I will get this again. And then the fifth sample was a Dermalogica, and it is a Pure Bright Serum. So I do like trying different serums, so I thought when I saw this on the website, I've heard good things about the brand Dermalogica, and so I thought, right, I will try some serum from them. And the amount that's in here, let me have a look, see if it says. No, it doesn't say. So that's the product, and it says after cleansing apply directly to areas of uneven skin tone, and for best results use twice daily, allow 1 minute for the product to absorb, then follow with Pure Light SPF 50 during the day and Pure Night during the evening. So that's the end of my Feelunique Pick and Mix unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to be notified of when I next upload another video, then please click on that bell, and that should notify you when I next upload. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.